Yes, bagong social communication director. Noong June 3 ako na italaga bilang bagong social communication director. Kaya ako, andito ako mula kahapon hanggang sa pagtatapos dahil miyembro po ako ngayon ng ating kilusan at ako'y talaga nagpapasalamat dahil start by saying this. Ito ang isang bagay na hindi ko plinano nung naghanda ko ng sharing. But as we go on, I want to share. Kasi maraming ka-generation ko, yung generation L. Generation luma, no? Hindi kami. Marami ho sa amin ay lumaki na walang cellphone, walang internet, walang computer. At maraming sa ating ay lumaki na may takot at pangamba sa mga bagay na ito. Marami din sa aming lumaki na tinuruan na Facebook is a waste of time. At ngayon bigla nagbago ang trending at ngayon naging venue for evangelization, etc. Kaya maraming sa amin na out of place. Hindi masyadong marunong, hindi masyadong techie. Sabi ng isang sokom namin, hindi ako teki, ako yung teka, no? Teka muna. Teka muna, paano ito? But, this is my experience. Never too late to start.
Oh, yun.
Never too late to start. So, yun po yung words of encouragement sa mga ka-generation L tulad ko. I will be talking about almusalita. This is the page. Pag hindi nyo pa na-like sa Facebook, i-like ninyo. Utang na loob naman. Hindi naman tayo. I-promote natin. This started right after the Eucharistic Congress, suggested by one journalist ng Eucharistic Congress. I was a speaker during the Eucharistic Congress. In interview after, yung one rapper journalist sabi niya, magaling po kayo managalog. Ba't hindi kayo gumawa ng vlog? Anong gagawin ko sa vlog? Una, ano ang vlog? Kanyang ignorante ko noon. Pangalawa, anong gagawin ko? Sabi niya, short reflection tungkol sa gospel of the day sa Tagalog. Wala ko noon. Sabi ko, imposible, marami available. Nilabas ang cellphone niya, sabi niya, mag-search po kayo. Google o Facebook, wala kayong mahanap. And in fact, I search and search and search, wala ko nakita. And then tinanong ko siya, ba't akong gagawa sa Tagalog? Hindi ako Pinoy, maraming paring Pinoy. Bakit ako? At ang sagot niya, kung ayaw niyo mag-misyon sa Pilipinas, di umuwi kayo sa Argentina. Ang point naman. May sense. So, February 3, right after, January, ang Eucharistic Congress, February 3, I started a video reflection with the help of my small socom in the parish. Parokya ng Lourdes sa Camaring, Caloocan. Nagsimula ho kami. Target audience, parishioner na hindi nakapagsimba. I never thought that it will go viral and abroad. So, this is 3.5 years after. From a small parish, ng isang paring inutil sa technology, ito ho ang nilakbay ng almusalita. I will try to share what helped the success. But ito po yung narrative. 204 server. Ito, katitay ko yung picture kanina. This is the community. Yung video ng kahapon, for example, had 5,700 likes, 4,300 shares, and the view, 91,000. So it's almost half of the page followers view the page, which is very strange. And 557 comments that are real comments, sharing, no? The catchy title is Beauty Care. Because the content says, if you pray, you will get beautiful inside out. So, that was the comment to the transfiguration. Okay. Now, this is organically, it reached 3.1 million a month. Actually, 28 days. 3.1 million and 2.1 millions of engagement. So, I'm totally surprised. Sabi ko, I don't know the secret, actually. So, yung reach per Ito yung mga in the last 28 days, yung reach ng mga videos. So yung kahapon, 336,000 reach. Samantalang yung likes ay ng page ay 200,000. See, it reached more than the page. Hindi ako tekis, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Let me give you a personal reflection. Things that maybe help this to work. So I will give you 10 points of things na sa tingin ko ay nakatulong. Lalong dedicated ito sa mga pare at madre at laiko na takot magsimula sa internet. Because really, 3 years and a half ago, I was paralyzed in front of the camera.